Hi, welcome everyone. Today's video I'm going to show you another trick in the Power BI video. This is one of the presentation prepared by one of few of my students, and in this video I will show you one of the things that graph in a graph we can improve. For example, in this graph the dots are very much scattered on the y-axis, and the major reason is that the x-axis data has some outliers. Because of that, they are scattered very near, and the y-axis data is majorly stated near the lower values of x-axis. First of all, I will show you how to switch the axis. You can just click the graph and move the axis to other side so that you can switch the axis, because we wanted to switch the axis here. Second problem is that now we need to convert them into a scale so that they are comparable. So in this video I will show you how to create a new variable which is a log of existing variable. And first for that we go in the data, and we wanted to take a log of consumer price index and that variable, but there are some missing values. So what we'll do, first of all, we'll add a new column formula, and in that, once it's open a new column, you have to write a formula here. So simply the simple formula is that you will just write the new name of the new column. It will be log of CPI equal to, and then you will write log bracket open and then comma sign, and then select the variable consumer price index and bracket close, enter. The problem it will give is that if there is a missing value in the data, it will give you minus infinity here. For that, I have I will change the formula with the if condition in the start, that if the data is missing, it will give us an empty cell. For that, the formula is this. So I will update this formula. I have pasted it here. You can now learn it from here. So log of CPI will be equal to if is blank, if the target variable which we are using to take a log is blank. I will select the variable here by, and it will give us blank, otherwise it will take a log. So I will just change it by removing the existing and press the commas and consumer price index. So this way it's calculated a new variable. Now you will see it is empty here. First thing. Second, now we come back to the graph again, and now we'll change the value from consumer price index to the log of CPI, and now it is using sum. We don't need to use sum, we will use don't summarize. Now we see the graph is more scattered, more explainable. Now we need to convert the broad money. So I will do it quickly because the same process will be applied here. I will go and create a new column from here, and I will just paste the formula that I found. The if condition, I will write log broad money, that is M2, is blank. So I will change the data. So when you press comma, it will show you first of all data name and the variable name. If you have more than one data loaded, it will list them here, and then you will show it here, data broad money. So when I do it, it will convert the data into continuous. So as a new variable. Now I will go back to the file, and I will remove the broad money here and add the broad money variable here. So now you can see I will select don't summarize. It will show me the graph. Now it is more explainable that there is some positive association where the more money is printed, the more inflation is there. Same case can be shown here in this graph. It is based on averages. Rather than average, we can select the actual don't summarize values. Don't summarize values here. So it is don't summarize here. So this way data, now it's still scattered on the corners. So I will change the broad money legend of broad money. Don't need to change it here, but because the broad money is already bins, so we don't need to change that. We can change the CPI here. I will select the CPI and change it to from sum to don't summarize. Now it is more meaningful. Now only thing is that we can change the GDP. and then we can go in the data again and select another variable and paste it here. So I will do it quickly again. So log GDP SA, and then we'll select the GDP here, GDP per capita, and then copy that, remove this template, and find the GDP here. So when I press it enter, now go into the data, you will see I will change the GDP per capita with log of GDP and remove the sum aggregation. Now you can see it is more meaningful. There is scatterness in the data. So this way you can make your data more explainable when their variation is very odd and the data is skewed to some one corner. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe for more videos related to Power BI.